Myself Aradhana Verma. I am from KK Wak Secondary School and Junior College. Today we are going to see about the molecular basis of inheritance. Let's start with Griffith experiment. He performed an experiment on bacterium Streptococcus pneumoniae, where he used two types of strain. S strain is virulent, smooth and pathogenic, and R strain is non-virulent, rough and non-pathogenic. In that experiment, he concluded that R strain bacteria must have taken up from the heat kill S bacterium, which allow R strain to get transformed into virulent. After that, Avery, McCarty and McLeod carried an experiment where they purified DNA, RNA and other material from R strain and heat kill S strain. They discovered that only DNA was able to transform harmless R strain into deadly S strain. Later, Hershey and Chase worked with viruses that infect bacteria, that is bacteriophages, which compose of DNA and protein. The experiment began with the culturing of viruses in two types of medium. One set of virus A was cultured in a medium of radioactive phosphorus, whereas another set B was cultured in a medium of radioactive sulfur. They conclude that the virus that had radioactive DNA transferred their DNA to the bacteria, but virus that had radioactive protein didn't get transferred to the bacteria. Let's see the DNA replication. Replication is a process by which DNA makes a copy of itself during cell division. Let's see the steps of DNA replication. First, nucleotide get activated at the point of origin, and then DNA get unwind and form a replicating fork. Then new strand is started synthesized by forming leading and lagging strand, and daughter DNA molecule are formed. Transcription. Transcription is a process by which information in a strand of DNA is copied in a new molecule of messenger RNA. Three steps of transcription: initiation, elongation and the termination. Now let's see the translation. Translation. In this, codons of mRNA are translated and specific amino acid in a sequence form a polypeptide on ribosomes. Translation occurs in three steps: initiation, elongation and the termination. Now let's see the DNA fingerprinting. A technique used specially for identification by extracting and identifying the base pair pattern in an individual's DNA. Now let's see the application. It is used in forensic science. It is used to find out biological father or mother. It is used in pedigree analysis of the mammal. Thank you for watching.